Welcome! In front of me I have Fossil Hybrid HR Monroe, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now, let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to press and hold the middle button for about 5 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds basically, until you see a specific menu. So let's press and hold the middle button. At first, normal menu will appear on the screen, but you need to keep holding the button until you see this menu. And once you see this menu, you can use the upper button to select the disconnect and reset option, and then you can press the middle button to confirm. As you can see, here we have the question if you want to disconnect and reset the watch. To confirm, press the lower button, and the watch will start removing the data. Basically, it will start the resetting process. And after a second or two, it should be complete. Once you see the home page of the watch, or rather home screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.